Hi everyone. I'd like to give you a very small tip on how you can visualize files that you have on your desktop directly in the platform without the need to import them into the platform. Sometimes we need to take a look and visualize certain files and then make some decisions, validate them probably, and only then take a decision if we want to have them as documents in the platform or probably import them through a CAD application, for example. So as for now, we have three type of files or three formats that we support in this functionality. That is the PDF, 3D XML, and step files. Regarding the step, by the way, we support step 242. So how does it work? You simply drag the file from your desktop directly into the platform, and then you can visualize immediately these files. Now, after that, in case you want to import them, there is always a message that tells you if this content that you have visualized, it's not yet uploaded in the platform, and you can choose how you want to upload them. So you have three options there where you can upload this content into a 3D drive, into 3D Swim, or 3D Space. But be careful here. One tip, if you upload a file of type 3D XML into the 3D Space, then this file is added only as a document. So it is not imported as physical structure, for example. It is just added there as a document. And you will need a rich client in order to import it as a physical product. Now let's see how this works. So here I have an example of a PDF. I simply drag it and drop it from my folder, which is in my desktop, directly into the widget, 3DPlay widget in my dashboard, and I can visualize this PDF file. I take also a 3D XML file and the same behavior. I simply drag it and drop it onto the widget, and I can visualize it. I can visualize its 3D geometry. And the same works also for step files. Now let's see beyond that. Now I have visualized this step file, for example, this bicycle. I have three options which I can choose from in order to import this into the platform. I can use it through 3D Drive, for example. So I'm gonna choose this option, and I want to import or upload this step file into one of the folders in my 3D Drive. So I select the folder. And probably I want to share it with others, so that's the reason why I am importing this into a 3D Drive. And I can visualize it, as you can see here, make sure it's exactly the same file. So using the preview option, it is exactly the same file that I have imported from my desktop directly into the platform through the 3D Drive. I hope it was a helpful tip. Thank you, and see you in the next tip.